So, a quick thing while I'm driving home, I just thought I would talk just a little bit about why most people suck at shooting. So I'm driving home from a private lesson and just figured I would talk about this kind of butthurt-inducing truth that I am hearing a lot of people, and they go, I can't get good at shooting or whatever. I'm not as good as you are because I'm not a sponsored shooter and I don't have anybody sending me ammo. Well, I don't have anybody sponsoring me as a shooter. I do have an ammo sponsor, MagTech, who sends me ammo as part of our deal for them to, be a sponsor of the main YouTube channel. But guess what? None of that does any good if I don't go shoot it, okay? And here's the thing. Why aren't you a better shooter? Probably because you're not doing the work. And until you embrace that, and until you stop making excuses, this is, well, that guy is good because X, because he's got an ammo sponsor. That guy is good because, he gets to go to matches all the time. No, he goes to matches all the time to test his skills. He's good because he works. And there's where the reality is, okay? Here's the truth. If you want to get good at shooting, if you want to get good at martial arts, if you want to become awesome at jiu-jitsu, if you want to be good in business, if you want to be a great husband or a great wife, if you want to be good at anything, you're going to have to put in the work. And the people who want to find an excuse to not be good at something are almost always people who are unwilling to do the work. And that's the reality of things. And so do work, guys. If you want to get better at shooting, start doing the work. Do your dry fire every single day. Do your live fire as often as you can. You may not be able to get out to the range every week, but you can probably get out there every month and go through 50 to 100 rounds. That's not all that expensive. And if you're not willing to do the work, then please just shut up about the fact that other people get good. And I get it. Sometimes we get our feelings hurt because we don't want to admit that our current level of skill is because of our current level of commitment. But I'd challenge you to be better than that. I'm sure somebody's going to ask me about the dash cam. It's a good dash cam. Vantru sent it to me. I've been running it for about 6 months in Trigger. Runs great. I'll put details in the description if you want to pick one up. I recommend it. It's good stuff. And that's why I'm recording on this. And if this works as well as I think it will, I'll probably do a little bit more of these. But big thing, coming home from a private lesson with my friend Robert. And guess what? Robert is doing the work. And so today he and I on the range pulled his draw to first shot down to 0.98. And you know how that happened? He was doing the work. And he's been doing the work in dry fire. He's been doing the work in live fire. And then we pulled just found some efficiencies and some places where he could get a little bit more efficient with his draw time. And boom, he was pulling 0.98s, 0.99s, 0.95 a couple times. And that kind of stuff only comes because you do the work. So here's my encouragement to you. Get out there and do the work, guys. Don't think it's going to happen without you doing the work. And I could say that in my own life. I've gotten much better this last year as a shooter because I'm doing my best to get out there every day and do the work. You do the same. God bless you.